This is the new oraimo SpacePods tuned by Burna Boy. These earbuds are the result of a collaboration between Oraimo, the #1 TWS and smartwatch brand in Africa, and Burna Boy, the Grammy award-winning Nigerian singer and songwriter. And if you are looking for a pair of true wireless earbuds that can deliver a premium Afrobeat listening experience, you might want to check out the new oraimo SpacePods with a unique lunar design, active noise cancellation, and Burna Boy's exclusive voice prompt. In this review, I will take you through the unboxing, design, and ergonomics, connection, control, sound quality, and battery life of these earbuds. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. As always, I have timestamps so it's easy for you to go to any section that interests you. Subscribe if you're not, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video like this one. SpacePods came in a rough textured, sleek grey box. Inside the box you will find earbuds in the charging case, a USB-C cable, 2 pairs of extra silicone ear tips, a user manual, and a message card signed by Burna Boy. Let's talk about the design and how comfortable these earbuds are. The SpacePods has a round plastic case but with a cosmic rough brownish texture inspired by the mysterious lunar landscape. I've not been to the moon, but I feel like the surface of the moon close to this. The brown textured case houses the earbuds and has stronger hinges than that of the FreePods 4. I also prefer the color scheme here because the brown is a neutral tone and looks more mature than the stark contrast of the FreePods 4. The case has 2 LED indicators on the back and inside for status indication. Also on the back there is a USB-C port for charging. The case is compact and portable, easily fitting in your pocket or bag. There are 2 variants of the SpacePod, the regular one, which is this one, and it is now 42,600 naira, and the Moonlight edition, which is a limited edition with only 20 units in the whole wide world that costs 200,000 naira. Some differences between the regular SpacePods and the Moonlight edition are the ring light on the lid of the case, the UV light sensitive autograph inside the case which shows only under sunlight, a more premium package with a pouch, doll, and stickers. The earbuds on the SpacePods have a matte grey finish with a stimulated lunar surface texture that feels smooth and comfortable to touch. Each board has 2 microphones which are essential for noise cancellation. There are some oraimo brandings, a Burna Boy signature on the front parts, and the right or left indicator when you turn it over. The earbuds also have a touch-sensitive area just above the stem that allows you to control various functions with taps and long presses. The earbuds are actually lightweight and ergonomic, fitting snugly in your ears without causing any discomfort or fatigue. The ear tips are soft and flexible, providing a good seal and passive noise isolation. The oraimo SpacePods use Bluetooth 5.2 technology to connect to your devices wirelessly. The connection is stable and reliable with low latency or dropouts. The earbuds support Google pop-up notifications or fast pair, which means that when you open the case near your Android phone, you will see a pop-up window on your screen that shows the battery level of the earbuds and the case. You can also use this feature to pair or unpair the earbuds easily. The earbuds also support the oraimo Sound app, which is an intelligent control app that allows you to customize your listening experience. You can use this app to switch between different listening modes like the ANC mode, game mode, transparency mode. You can adjust the equalizer settings to 5 EQ modes, which are standard, heavy bass, rock, jazz, vocal, and the premium EQ tuned specifically by Burna Boy for the best Afrobeat experience. You can also use the oraimo Sound app to find your earbuds, update firmware, and so many other things. The oraimo SpacePods have touch-sensitive controls that let you perform various functions with taps and long presses. Here are some of the gestures you can use. Single tap on the earbuds to play and pause music, tap 2 times to skip to the next track, and tap 3 times to go to the previous track. During a phone call, tap the buds once to answer the call or long press the buds until you hear 2 beeps to reject a call. To hang up a call, tap the buds 2 times during the call. Long press the right bud until 4 beeps to switch to game mode. Long press the right buds until 2 beeps to activate your phone's virtual assistant. Long press the left buds until 2 beeps to switch between ANC off, and transparency modes. One of the coolest features of these earbuds is that when you switch between listening modes, you will hear Burna Boy's exclusive voice prompt telling you which mode you are in. For example, when you switch off noise cancellation mode, you will hear him say, "Noise cancellation off." Not in that voice anyway. Or when you successfully pair the earbuds to a phone, you will hear him say, "Connected," which feels like he is talking to you personally. The oraimo SpacePods have 10mm dynamic drivers and composite diaphragms that deliver powerful and balanced sound across all frequencies. The sound quality is decent with clear highs, mids, and lows. The bass is punchy and deep thanks to oraimo's heavy bass exclusive algorithm that enhances the low-end frequencies. The highlight of these earbuds is the Burna Boy tuning, which gives you the best possible experience when listening to Afrobeat music. This mode enhances the vocals, instruments, and rhythms of Afrobeat, making you feel the energy and emotion of the music. But apart from the default mode, you can also switch to other modes such as ANC mode, transparency mode, or game mode depending on your preference and environment. The ANC mode can block out a good amount of the ambient noise, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music without any distractions. The game mode can reduce the latency further, ensuring that you can enjoy smooth and synchronized gaming audio. The transparency mode can let in some of the ambient sounds so that you can stay aware of your surroundings while on the road or having a quick conversation without taking off the earbuds. Let's talk about battery. The oraimo SpacePods have a long battery life that can keep you going throughout the day. The earbuds can provide up to 8.5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and the charging case can extend that to 35.5 hours. The charging case supports fast charging, which means that you can get an extra 2 hours of playtime with just 10 minutes of charging. The earbuds also have a low power consumption mode, which can save battery when you are not using them. The oraimo SpacePods are a great pair of two wireless earbuds that can offer you a premium Afrobeat listening experience. They have a unique lunar design, active noise cancellation, Burna Boy's exclusive voice prompt, and they support the oraimo sound app. They also have good sound quality, a long battery life, and a stable connection. If you are a fan of Burna Boy or Afrobeat music in general, you should definitely give these earbuds a try. The oraimo SpacePods currently sells at 42,600 naira on the oraimo official store, but you can get 800 naira off if you use my discount code PRAIZTECH from the 2nd of November to the 2nd of December 2023. You can also get up to 5% off if you use the link in the video description to purchase this earbud. If you enjoyed this video, like and share it, and don't forget to leave a comment, especially if you have any questions. If you are interested in the free pods 4, you can learn more about that device here, or you can watch this video I just uploaded. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.